Hello, I'm Bill Simon. I'm a CPA, formerly a tax partner with one of the international accounting firms, formerly an executive with the Internal Revenue Service, and believe it or not, I'm still out here battling the wars with IRS. I've been here in this practice for almost 30 years. We have been very successful in representing thousands of clients before the Internal Revenue Service in all matters regarding tax issues. Today I'd like to speak with you about employment taxes. And there are two facets to this employment tax arena. The first one I'm going to talk about in this particular video is the situation wherein you have withheld taxes from your employees and you have not remitted those taxes to the IRS as required. This is a very serious matter because, first of all, not remitting these monies is very expensive. It can be a very large penalty and interest factor, and it can even be more complicated if you decide, hey, I'll quit filing the 941s and maybe they won't find me as quickly. And you can drive this penalty and interest cost up to 42%. That's a huge factor. That's usury, but that is in fact what it can be. So, if you have this situation, you need to seek advice from someone who has extensive experience in dealing with this issue, in dealing with IRS, can provide you with all of the options you have available to you, and then recommend to you what is your proper course of action. It is critical that you keep in mind that this can become a criminal matter. If you continually do this and then you use those monies to operate your business with, or you use those monies for your personal living expenses, then IRS can look at this and say, you've continued to do this, you have not abided by the law, you have intentionally violated the law, and therefore we can bring criminal charges against you for this. Yes, there are criminal sanctions for failure to pay over these monies. We want to avoid that, of course. We want to keep your business open and operating. We want to do it legally, and we want to provide the aid for you to do that. We've been successful in many cases in accomplishing this. Do not rely on someone who says they have done this, who has not had a track record, who cannot give you references. I can't give you references of my clients, but I can certainly give you references of many CPAs and attorneys who have sent us their clients to deal with these problems, and we've been successful with. And let's face it, I've been doing this for 30 years in this practice, 5 years with one of the international accounting firms. I think I've got a track record, or else I wouldn't be still in business and I wouldn't be successful at doing this. If you need our assistance in this matter, please contact us at the number listed below. We're happy to provide you with a free consultation to discuss your problem, to give you some ideas of the options that are available. Thank you very much for your attention.